All right. Hey, ninth graders. Mr. Hamilton here. Just wanted to take a moment to introduce myself to those of you who are not actually physically in school today. Some of you will be in school tomorrow. Some of you are doing distance learning, and I probably won't see you for a while at least. So just wanted to take a moment to so that you could see me, see who I am, and then also just get to know me a little bit. So I'll be doing this same presentation in class for those who are in class on Tuesday, September 8th. But I will just kind of walk through this presentation quickly just to tell you a little bit about myself. So here we go. A little bit about me. I grew up in Chaska originally. That's where I'm from originally. I now live in Blaine. So I've got about a 25-30 minute drive each morning and afternoon to get to Rogers. My family consists of my wife, Trisha, my daughter, Emily, who is turning 6 today, actually, on September 8th. My son is Tyler. He's 3.5. He'll turn 4 in November. And then we have a dog named Sadie as well. So she's my hunting partner. I graduated from Bethel University in Arden Hills. Go Royals. Yes, if you do the math on here, I was in college for 4 years, and then I've been at Rogers here for 9 years now. So this will be my 13th year of being a Royal. So pretty familiar with that particular mascot. So this is my 11th year teaching in total, and my 9th year teaching science here at RHS. So just to kind of move that around so you can see my stuff there. All right. Some favorites of mine. My favorite food is pizza. My sport is baseball. I do coach baseball here at Rogers as well. My favorite movie, The Sandlot, kind of keeping with the baseball theme there. And my favorite color would be blue, which fits nicely with Rogers. And my favorite type of music would be country. These are a couple of pictures to show you a little bit of my family. So in the upper left-hand corner there, that's me in my baseball coaching uniform there, coaching baseball at the state tournament 2 years ago, I guess a year and a half ago about. 2019, our Rogers baseball team made it to the state tournament. So that was at CHS Field in St. Paul, where we played our first round state tournament game. And those are my 2 kids, Emily and Tyler. And then the family picture in the bottom right-hand corner, that's from just this past summer. We went up to Jay Cook State Park, kind of up towards Duluth, and did some hiking and stuff up there. So that's our family on the rocks next to the river there. So this is my dog, Sadie. Again, she's my hunting partner. I take her with me when I go pheasant hunting or grouse hunting or those kind of things. So speaking of hunting, hunting is one of my hobbies. What do I like to do? For me, teaching and coaching is something I get paid to do, but it's also something that I love to do. So I'm fortunate that I get to do that. Playing and watching sports, hunting, camping, hiking, skiing. You can see this picture over here with me with my wife. We like to go up to Lutsen and usually almost every winter and do some skiing up there. This is me after hunting with my dog there, hunting pheasants in that particular picture. So in terms of the game here, so in class we'll play this and I'll have you guys vote and whatever, but basically the 2 truths and a lie is a game you're probably familiar with. If you're not, it's really simple. Basically, I wrote out 3 statements here, and I'm going to move my picture here so that you can actually see the third statement. So the first statement here says I've been to the Dominican Republic 3 times. The second one is I was a starting pitcher on my college baseball team. And the third one says I was born in Wisconsin but moved to Minnesota when I was young. If you've been paying attention, this should be an easy question or an easy answer. And so here's some pictures to prove the answers. So I have been to the Dominican Republic 3 different times. I was a starting pitcher on my college baseball team at Bethel University, and I was not born in Wisconsin. So if you picked the born in Wisconsin as the lie, then that was correct. So nice job. This one here, I'll move this down. I've never broken a bone in my body. I ran the Twin Cities Marathon. I play fantasy football every season. So this one's probably a little bit harder. Think about which one you think is probably not true about me. And I will show you the pictures to prove. So basically, I've never broken a bone in my body, so that was true. I I actually don't play fantasy football. I've never played it in my life, and I don't know, for some reason it just doesn't catch my interest that much. I do like football, but I don't do a lot of fantasy football. So, and then also, so the other one that was true was that I did run the Twin Cities Marathon. Hard to believe it was 5 years ago now, but trained all summer and finished the marathon in October. So that was one of the bigger accomplishments in my lifetime. So if you're in class today, I'll ask you this question of what do you want to know. If you're at home right now thinking about what do you want to know about me, there is an option on the student info survey that you're going to complete today to ask me questions. So if there's something you want to know about me in addition to what I just shared with you, feel free to put that on your survey, and hopefully I'll see that and can reach out to you and respond to you with an answer for that. So those of you at home, look forward to seeing you tomorrow. If you're doing distance learning, feel free to check in with me by email or set up a Google Meet with me so I can learn who you are and see your face and all that stuff. That'd be great. So thanks, and we'll see you in another video shortly, I'm sure.